So my family made the decision to put solar on our house so that we could be more self-sufficient, help to generate solar energy for our neighborhood, just be a little greener in our energy consumption. Most of the energy that we use will be produced from our solar panels on our roof. But before we get the solar panels installed on the roof, we kind of had to take a look at the roof. And it's not the newest roof, it's about 11 years old, but it's in quite good condition. We did a little research, and in our environment, roofs do tend to not last too long because of the way the sun, the rain, and all of the elements kind of beat down on them. But I ended up finding this guy that does a roof treatment that can keep your roof out of a landfill for 5 to 15 years. I went ahead and took some film while they were here and asked him some questions about his product or what motivates them to do this roof reconditioning. Take a look.
We're getting Alan's roof done for him because he's made the smart decision to install solar on his house, and this will just take his roof out 5, 10, 15 years longer than it otherwise would have. And such a pleasure to work with nice owners that take an interest in the environment. We are the only company that has the ability to extend the life of asphalt shingle or asphalt rolled roofing rather than just waiting to have to tear the roof off, put it in the landfill, and replace it. Go in and rehydrate the roof with 100% bio oil, which is soy, that's been carefully patented and developed in conjunction with Ohio Soybean Institute and Battelle Labs over many years. Our bio oil does not contain the proteins that attract animals, rodents. Wonderful product, all natural, totally safe for people, plants, animals, the environment. We love being part of a green technology. It will seep through the roof, work its way back out, and it will seal all the cracks and fissures, lock the remaining granules on so you have no more granule loss going into your gutters, help rehydrate the glue strips between the shingles, and just generally return the functionality and waterproofing to the shingles themselves. Your grandfather's shingles probably lasted for 30, sometimes 40 years. They were thicker, they had more asphalt, and they had more petroleum in them. Over the years, Congress has limited the amount of asphalt and petroleum that can go into manufacturing, so major roof builders have had to turn to other materials. Namely, they put a lot of crushed limestone into the manufacture of their roofs. This dries out quicker. The limited petroleum and asphalt allows the roofs to just break down quicker than it used to. And in Florida, we see a tremendous amount of dryness caused from excessive UV rays, from rapid expansion and contraction of the roof. A roof can go from 140 degrees to 60 degrees with a passing cloud or shower. We're seeing roofs only last 5, 6, 7 years in this subtropical climate, and then they start to fail, get very brittle. We're cleaning granules out of the gutters themselves, and we just have a failed roof. So if we can take that less expensive roof and we can add minimum of 5 years with each application, and up to 3 applications on a roof, taking it out 15 plus years, we've just actually extended the life of an older roof beyond what a new, untreated roof would be if it didn't have a roof max treatment after 5, 6, 7 years.
Thanks so much for watching. I just wanted to share with you guys an alternative to throwing a roof away just because you need to do some work on top of it, or just because you notice how old it is. In the end, this roof reconditioning has made our roof more pliable, less dry, less brittle. There's less stuff coming off of it, and our roof is just perfectly ready for the solar panels now. And I look forward to showing you some of that too in the future. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more regenerative ideas from the Forest Ranch, and thank you so much for watching.